Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another haul video. So this is from Peppermint Planner, who I don't PR for, but I saw that she was doing monthly kits for the Mini Happy Planner when Simply Shelly was using them, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So I went ahead and did the bundle of 6 for January through June, even though I didn't, obviously I didn't get them until March because I didn't order them until then. She's not late or anything. This is so cute. This little die cut. It says hugs. That's adorable. And then there's the freebie. So this, to get 6 months of it was $17, but then she was doing a sale, and so I got $4.25 off, and shipping was $3. So I got basically free shipping plus $1.25 off. So I made it worth it. I might go through and put these down, but some of them I kind of just stuck deco stickers down, so it might not work, but we'll see. So here is the freebie. It says collect your bunny butt. I don't know what that's for. Where do I collect them? I don't know. Then there's some half boxes and quarter boxes, so that's cute. But I don't know what the collect your bunny butt thing is, and I don't see a little note that explains that, so no idea. Alright, so this is January, which a lot of planner shops use this digital paper. It's so cute. I just thought, wow, this will just lay down so nice in my planner. So I thought that would be cute. And then this one is for May. Oh, that's weird. What? January, May? January, February. There we go. There's February. That's so pretty. And there's the Eiffel Tower. And then February, March. There's April. I'm confused. They were not in order. Okay, well there's May's. That one's June's. There's March. Okay, there's March right there. Has a cactus and it says enjoy every moment here and now. That's cute. And then April has a little bunny for Easter. So that one's cute. So I also thought I could start filming my monthlies in my Mini Happy Planner. And then here is the May one. And it says special delivery. And then it has a bear and baby ducks. That's so cute. So May is Mother's Day. And then June is my birthday. So I really like this one because there's a little banner for my birthday. So I thought that would be super cute. But I love all the how tiny little functionals are. They're just so adorable. And it all is on one sheet. So I think that's pretty awesome. Anyway, so that is the 6 months worth. So if you want to check that out, it's Peppermint Planner. And it looks like she has a little frog and a bunny as her character stickers. She has bunnies on here. That one doesn't have the bunny. That one does. That one does. I don't know. They're super cute, so I'm excited. Alright, so thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!